Listen carefully. This message might change your life because the truth is simple, harsh, and powerful. Nobody is coming to save you. Your life changes the moment you decide to change it. Most people wait. They wait for motivation, for support, for the perfect time. But weeks turn into months, months turn into years, and life stays exactly the same because waiting never changed anything. Let me tell you a short story. There was a young man who wanted to transform his life. He was lost, broke, and unmotivated. Every night he said, "I'll start tomorrow," but tomorrow never came. One day, someone asked him, "Why haven't you started yet?" He replied, "I'm waiting for confidence, for someone to guide me, for the right time." The person looked at him and said, "Look in the mirror. The person you are waiting for is already standing there." That moment hit him hard. Nothing would change until he changed. No mentor, no miracle, no friend was coming. If he didn't help himself, no one else would. And that day, he started. Small actions, every single day. 1 year later, his entire life looked different. Not because someone saved him, but because he saved himself. Here's the lesson. Your future is built by your actions, not your excuses. Discipline beats motivation. Consistency beats talent. And action beats everything. You are not stuck because of lack of time, lack of money, or lack of support. You are stuck because you keep waiting, waiting for the perfect moment that will never come. So here are 3 steps to change your life. Number 1, start before you feel ready. You will never feel fully ready. Start anyway. Your first step doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be taken. Number 2, build small daily habits. Read 10 minutes. Exercise 5 minutes. Work on your goals 15 minutes. Small actions create big results. Number 3, remove distractions, not dreams. Your phone, your laziness, your excuses, they are stealing your potential. Cut the distractions. Your goals deserve your full focus. Remember this, no one is coming to save you. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to do your work. It is your life, your responsibility, your journey. If you want to succeed, start. If you want to change your family's future, start. If you want a better body, a better mind, a better life, start. Not tomorrow. Not next week, not when the time is right. Start today. Start now. Start with what you have. Because the moment you understand that it's you versus you, that is the moment you become unstoppable.